How to enable Google Gemini AI Assistant on Android. This tutorial shows you how to activate Gemini as your default assistant on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Google to open your Google account settings. From there, tap on the All Services tab at the top of the screen. At this point, scroll down and tap on Settings for Google Apps. In the next step, tap on Search Assistant and Voice to open the Assistant settings. Following this, tap on Gemini to open the Gemini settings. Once done, tap on Digital Assistant from Google. From here, tap on the selection menu and choose Gemini from the list. At this stage, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the switch. Finally, tap Switch to confirm, and Gemini will now be set as your default AI assistant on your device. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you activate Google Gemini, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.